fire, Royce bedoys! Good morning, class. We're going to have a fire this week. What's a fire, Miss H? Oh, I know. It's a... Can you stop saying E? Mom, do you know it or not? He doesn't know. I know it, but I want to say it anymore. I'll let Miss H tell you. You're right, Wen. He doesn't know. A fire is a real fire. When you hear the loud fire alarm, don't be afraid. 2 days later. Class, remember not to paint on the same area too many times. The paper will rip if it gets too wet. Too late. Royce bedoys already ripped his paper. Calm down, everyone. If you scream, other people will panic and scream too, and you won't be able to hear my instructions. Okay. Calm. It's okay, Royce bedoys. It's just a fire. Listen up, class. Quickly walk to the door and line up. Wait, let me pack my stuff. I might get thirsty, hungry and thirsty, hungry and thirsty, hungry and thirsty, hungry and cold. We could be out there for days. Whoa! There's a lot of people out here! Is that Hopper and Coder? Hopper! Coder! Hopper! Coder!
Hopper! Coder!
Talking kids, I need you not to focus on me. This is no time to schedule a party.
Good job, students. We are now clear. You may return to class.
Okay, class, we are going to walk back to our classroom. Stay close and walk in a single file line. Before we go inside, let's make sure everyone's here. Uh-oh, where's Royce bedoys? Where's Royce bedoys?